Is your child curious about the world of coding, but doesn't know where to start? Do you want to give them the opportunity to learn coding in a fun and engaging way? Then, Can Anyone Code? Is the workshop for you. Join us this Saturday for a 2-hour online coding workshop conducted by Saravanan Ganesh, who has personally taught coding to over 3,000 school students from past 12 years. In this workshop, your child will learn the importance of coding and how to code using Python Turtle to create fun and engaging projects. Our goal is to inspire creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking skills. Enroll your child today and give them the opportunity to learn, code, collaborate, create, and win prizes. Can Anyone Code? Is the perfect introduction to the world of coding for students who have no prior experience. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Register now and watch your child's love for coding come to life. Send a WhatsApp message to 98540 23333